Elevating our perspective and uncovering the unseen, drones have emerged as remarkable instruments for seizing moments that might have stayed concealed. These flying wonders have transformed our approach to recording the world, unveiling sights that are both startling and awe-inducing. So, buckle up as we delve into some of the most jaw-dropping moments ever immortalized by the lens of a drone. Number 1. Moose shedding antlers. In the tranquil wilderness of Plaster Rock, New Brunswick, on January 12, 2023, Derek Keith Burgoyne, a Canadian wildlife aficionado, found himself amidst a spectacle of nature that would etch itself in his memory forever. The serene, snow-draped landscape became the stage for a rare and enchanting dance of the majestic moose, shedding its colossal antlers, a phenomenon known as antler casting, an annual ritual in the life cycle of these magnificent creatures. As winter's embrace grew tighter and shadows lengthened, Burgoyne stumbled upon a trio of bull moose meandering through the frosty forest. Two among them had already relinquished their antlers, a natural response to the season's shift and waning testosterone levels. Yet the third, still adorned with its impressive crown, was on the brink of a remarkable metamorphosis. With anticipation mounting and drone camera aloft, Burgoyne captured the unfolding marvel. The air was charged with expectancy as the moose ambled through the wintry tableau. Then, in a sudden pause and a burst of energy, a vigorous shake of its head sent both massive antlers tumbling to the ground. This singular act marked the creature's dramatic transformation, leaving behind a sight both mesmerizing and ephemeral. This encounter, even for Burgoyne, who had witnessed such wonders before, held a particular allure. Typically, a bull moose parts with its antlers sequentially, but this individual, with a flair for the dramatic, chose to shed both simultaneously, adding an extra layer of fascination to the already captivating tableau. This moose, with its theatrical touch, not only deviated from the norm but also gifted Burgoyne with a uniquely unforgettable memory. The snowy silence of the forest was broken momentarily by the fall of antlers, only to return to its peaceful serenity, with the moose, now lighter, disappearing into the wilderness, leaving behind a tale of nature's wonders and Burgoyne with a story to tell. Today's subscriber pick. While conducting a documentary survey over challenging mountainous terrain, a drone unveiled a sight that sparked wonder and left many pondering. The drone's lens, sweeping across the rugged natural tapestry of the landscape, brought into focus several white, elongated objects. Their stark contrast against the mountain's varied palette and their peculiar form bore no resemblance to anything familiarly known. Had this moment not been captured by the drone, belief in such a discovery would have been scarce. The footage rapidly ignited a flurry of discussions and debates among both experts and the curious public. Speculations were rife. Some suggested these anomalies could be remnants of extraterrestrial crafts, abandoned and forgotten. Others postulated an even more fascinating theory. Could these be unidentified wildlife, creatures evolved to seamlessly blend with their surroundings? Despite thorough analyses and myriad comparisons, a definitive consensus remained elusive. The intriguing image stood as a testament to the myriad, enduring mysteries that our natural world continues to cradle in its vast expanse. What do you think these mysterious objects might be? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. Number 2. Tiger sharks feasting on a whale. Imagine gearing up for a day of sun and surf at Oahu's renowned Waimanalo Bay Beach Park, only to find your aquatic plans abruptly halted. The reason? An unexpected and remarkable natural spectacle unfolds before your eyes. A humpback whale carcass has become a lavish banquet for a trio of tiger sharks, just a stone's throw from the shore. The sight is astonishing as these sharks, each stretching a staggering 12 to 13 feet in length, partake in this extraordinary feast. Discovered on a Tuesday, the chilling scene materialized a mere 300 yards off the coastline. As the day progressed, the tide seemed to usher the carcass closer to the shoreline, bringing it to a striking proximity of just 10 to 15 yards from the beach, as reported by the Hawaii Department of Land and Natural Resources. Fascinating, if somewhat unsettling, footage of this spectacle was disseminated by the department, showcasing the tiger sharks in ceaseless circling and vigorous feeding on the whale carcass. In response, vigilant lifeguards from Honolulu's Ocean Safety Division, together with officers from the Division of Conservation and Resources Enforcement, took positions along the beach. Their crucial task, ensuring that no audacious or thrill-seeking beach enthusiasts ventured into the waters amidst this unfolding drama. The whale carcass, in the process of decomposition, led to fragments washing up on the shore. While far from the conventional beach decor, these washed-up remnants garnered the curiosity of local dogs, prompting scavenging adventures. It seems that the ordinary beach day had taken an unexpectedly captivating turn. This incident, a blend of the macabre and the mesmerizing, serves as a reminder of nature's unpredictability and the raw, unscripted drama it can unveil. It's a testament to the dynamic and ever-evolving tapestry of life and death that plays out in the natural world, often closer to our daily lives than we might think. So what are your thoughts on this unexpected turn of events at Waimanalo Bay Beach Park? Share your thoughts and let's dive into the mysteries and wonders of the world around us. Number 3. A ghost in a white dress. Venturing into the heart of Cannock Chase in the UK's Midlands, one might encounter more than just the whisper of the wind and the rustle of leaves. This location, shrouded in eerie tales, is reputed as one of the prime spots in the United Kingdom for witnessing apparitions. But the spirit that has left many a visitor unnerved is the infamous black-eyed girl, an eerie phantom often seen lurking amidst the trees, sending shivers down the spines of even the most intrepid explorers. Over the years, a myriad of theories have surfaced, attempting to unravel the mystery behind these spectral children and their hauntingly hollow dark eye sockets. Some theories suggest a link to a devastating diphtheria outbreak in the 1800s, which could have rendered their eyes a sunken and darkened appearance. Another hypothesis draws a connection to the tormented souls of young victims of Raymond Morris, a notorious murderer responsible for the deaths of 3 children between 1965 and 1967. Skepticism, of course, has its place in this tale. Some dismiss the phenomenon as mere hearsay and fanciful storytelling, a creation of vivid imaginations and whispered legends. Yet the tale endures, fueled by recent footage captured by a drone, revealing a shadowy figure lingering at the forest's edge. The camera's descent for a closer inspection elicited spine-chilling responses from viewers. Debates ensued. Was this the ghostly black-eyed girl herself, or merely a potential ruse, a masquerade in costume designed to deceive? The enigma of Cannock Chase and its spectral inhabitant continues to captivate and confound. Theories abound, skepticism persists, and the line between reality and folklore remains blurred. Whether a glimpse into the supernatural or a product of imaginative storytelling, the tale of the black-eyed girl remains an unsettling and enduring part of the lore of Cannock Chase, inviting both believers and skeptics to ponder the mysteries that lie hidden in the shadows of the trees. Number 4. Trucks dumping in Ravine. In the heart of Brazil, a construction project of awe-inspiring scale was underway, aiming to erect a colossal dam that would significantly alter the landscape. Drones soared above, capturing moments that left spectators spellbound, revealing a scene of mammoth dump trucks swarming the area, reminiscent of diligent ants on a mission. These mechanical giants converged upon a deep ravine, unloading a blend of soil, rocks, and concrete. As the trucks labored ceaselessly, the once-empty ravine began to transform, layer by layer, defying gravity and stretching the boundaries of imagination. This sight was a vivid display of the unwavering commitment of the workers and the grand magnitude of the enterprise. The once vacant chasm evolved into an expansive mound, a testament to human aspiration and resourcefulness, showcasing a scale of accomplishment that was truly astounding. Intriguingly, the drones shifted their focus to the workforce, capturing the brave acts of these courageous individuals. Navigating slender beams suspended high above the ground, they conquered fear and demonstrated exceptional prowess. The workers emerged as the true heroes of this monumental undertaking, their dedication and skill pivotal in bringing this ambitious vision to life. This endeavor, captured from unique vantage points, highlighted not only the marvel of human engineering, but also the resilience and determination of the people behind it. It's a reminder of how, when faced with challenges, our collective effort and ingenuity can reshape landscapes and achieve the seemingly impossible. Number 5. Missing boy found by drone. In a secluded region near Ellensburg, Washington, a family experienced a pulse-pounding episode as their 3-year-old daughter went missing, initiating a desperate search. The rugged terrain heightened their concerns for her well-being, leading to an immediate call to emergency services. The Catitas County Sheriff's Office, in collaboration with the family, embarked on a mission to find the young explorer. With every passing minute crucial, the Sheriff's Office and Catitas Valley Fire and Rescue integrated aerial drones with ground efforts, meticulously combing the landscape. High above, a skilled drone pilot navigated the device, scrutinizing the terrain below, hoping for a glimpse of the child safe and sound. The tension was palpable. The collective breath held as the search continued. A wave of relief washed over the search team when the little adventurer was finally spotted, tucked away in a shallow ravine, enveloped by shrubs. Using the drone's live feed, the pilot guided the ground team directly to her location, culminating in a joyous reunion. The family's anxiety dissolved, ending a tense 2-hour saga during which the young wanderer had traversed approximately 300 yards into the wilderness. This incident underscored the invaluable role of drone technology and the relentless efforts of the rescue team, turning a potentially tragic event into a story of hope and reunion. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of community coming together to ensure the safety of a child. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.